Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can archive, unarchive and access archived projects inside your account on Freedcamp. So let us dive into this. So let me just archive a project for the sake of this tutorial and show you how you can unarchive it and where you can find it. So let me just do this with this project here. And as you can see, now it is gone from that list here. So you'll need to navigate to your profile icon in the bottom left, then click into Manage System. And here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to, let me find it, Groups and Projects here at the top, and enable Show Archive Projects. And from here, click into these three dots to unarchive the project and move it to its previous location inside your account on Freedcamp, like here. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.